Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. We're doing the Wildlife 10p set from Guernsey. We have the series Birds of Prey, which is the second one in this year's series. The 6 10p coins are the Golden Eagle, the Red Kite, the Kestrel, the Hen Harrier, and the final 2 are the Barn Owl and the Common Buzzard. First coin that we have, let me just go right in. This one is the Golden Eagle. It's standing on a perch on description. The quality of the coin, there's a little bit of marking round to the edge of the rim on both sides of the eagle itself. However, the main part of the coin where the eagle has been minted into seems to be quite clear, as are all the details of the eagle. You've got the details of the wings and the feathers quite good there. We've got the name of the coin and we have the value. I'll show this side just once. It's a Guernsey 2022 Elizabeth JC portrait. Now this is the same in all 6 coins, so I'll only be showing that one. So that's the first one, that's the Golden Eagle. The second coin in the set is the Kestrel. It's the second one I have. It's slightly off centre. If you look at the other side, you've got the queen going straight up and down, and this is at a slight angle, the actual bird. So it looks as if, I don't know whether the actual coin itself has been, the die is rotated slightly before the striking of these coins, or this set of coins. I don't know how many other sets are affected, but again we do have the slight pitting, and looks like a pitting, almost a scuffing. However, the bird itself, the Kestrel, is again very well defined and very clear. The next one in the series is the Red Kite. Now, I've been very lucky. I've seen 3 or 4 of these birds I've seen a Golden Eagle, I've seen the Red Kite, I've seen the Barn Owl, the Kestrel, the Hen Harrier I'm not sure that I have seen, and the Buzzard I've seen certainly. But this here, if you go down into the middle of Wales at a place called Ryder, the wooded area that you drive through on the way through to Ryder, either on the north-south road out of Ryder or going through Ryder, you'll see Hen Harriers flying about quite frequently. They're very populous in that particular part of central Wales. It's a lovely bird. This tail section, when it's in flight, will tilt round in itself, so it almost goes at 90 degrees to its body to give it stabilisation in flight. It's quite a big bird of prey and is quite spectacular when you see them flying about. Now I believe there are other places that have them, and there is one, I think it was a cafe, used to throw bones that they weren't using after they finished with them, and or partial carcasses, and the Hen Harrier and these Red Kites will come in and scavenge them. This is the one that I'm pretty sure I haven't seen in the wild, and that's the Hen Harrier. It is quite frequently seen over Norfolk and Suffolk, where I was based when I was in the forces, but I can't actually remember seeing one flying about. A lot of them are over marsh and grasslands, the Hen Harriers. Well, that's where they seem to hunt, from what I remember. This is a beautiful bird, gorgeous in flight. I've seen it on TV and what have you. Lovely bird. Again, the quality of these coins is far superior to the second or third lot, which I had to send back. Now this one is a common buzzard. Again, slightly off centre. You can see that the writing isn't directly underneath, going through the 6 o'clock position or through the 12 o'clock position, but the coin itself is virtually upright. So again, I don't know whether they've been rotated in the minting. This bird, the common buzzard, I was very fortunate. I went to a falconry centre and I went on a walk, and it was the buzzard, or the common buzzard, that I flew to and from my hand during that walk. It was a few years ago, and basically it was in the Lake District, and I went for a walk in this wooded area, let the bird fly from my hand and called it back with some baby chick that was already dead. And their eyesight is unbelievable. The guy said, okay, now you're used to him flying to your hand and coming onto the glove, move your arm up and down when he's flying towards you, and you could see the buzzard actually move up and down in sequence, almost in sequence with me moving my arm to readjust his flight to get to my hand. It was an amazing experience, and one I'd highly recommend if you get the opportunity to do it. So that's a common buzzard. It's a medium-sized bird. It's not huge. It's bigger than a barn owl, but not as big as a golden eagle. And for their size, they're not that heavy when you're flying them to hand. They're really not. A lot of birds, of course, are hollow-boned. I'm pretty sure I didn't do this one. This is the Kestrel, one of the smaller birds of prey. Beautiful bird, very colourful markings on over its breast. It has brown and a mottled, almost thrush-coloured type breast, feathers and coloration. It's a very beautiful bird, very small bird. I've seen these flying alongside the motorway in looking at the Central Reservation and the grass verges, look for their prey. It's quite surprising the first time you see one hovering and you think, that's it, what is that? And then all of a sudden you twig that it's a Kestrel. Lovely bird. Now, one of my favourite birds of prey, the barn owl. Sometimes known as whispering death. If you're a vole or a mouse or something of that ilk, these birds are so quiet when they're in flight. They're unbelievable. I really do like the barn owl when it's flying, and seeing it flying wild. It's unbelievable. Watching it skimming over the cornfields and such like, wonderful. Sit for hours watching them. So those are the 6 coins. Let me just get them into their folder. Barn owl. Top right. Kestrel. Middle top. Golden Buzzard, bottom right. Hen Harrier, bottom centre. Now I have not had the same problem Caddy's had. These cards aren't really coming apart at all, and that one there is the red Kite, and the final one is the Golden Eagle. Now these 6 coins are going to be added to my set. This is a wildlife set. So the first set we got were mammals. The second set was sea life. Third set was insects. The fourth set was garden birds. The fifth set is woodland creatures. And the last set is being birds of prey. There are 2 more sets slated for this year. The 2 sets are wetland animals and butterflies. Now they are both slated for release this year. However, I'm not sure which order they're going to be in. It may even be that the last set of the year is held over to the beginning of next year. But according to Change Checkers and Westminster, there are 2 more sets slated for this year, but they don't have actual release dates. They believe the first one will be the wetland animals, followed by the butterflies, but they're not 100% sure. So that's another set for this wildlife series. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me the thumbs up. And also, if you haven't done yet and you've enjoyed this, could you think about subscribing? I'm currently around in the mid 80s for subscriptions, and so I need about 16 or so to reach 100. I hope to be able to do that by the end of this year, but I do need your help to do it. So if you've enjoyed this, if you haven't already subscribed, please think about doing so. It doesn't cost you anything. If you've enjoyed this particular video, could you please give me a thumbs up? Both the subscriptions and the likes and dislikes all go towards helping me out to get my videos put in front of people who've never seen them before. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something that you want to watch. And in the meantime, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, until then, bye bye. Ta-da.